The VPL-FHZ80/W3 LCD laser projector is a professional-grade projector designed for environments that demand brightness, precision, and reliability. Its sleek white design gives it a clean and modern appearance, making it suitable for offices, classrooms, and even high-end home theater setups. While it's not compact, the size is justified by its performance, especially the impressive 6,000 lumens output, which keeps visuals clear and vibrant even in well-lit rooms. Brightness is a key feature here. With 6,000 lumens, this projector ensures that presentations, videos, and images remain sharp and easily viewable under various lighting conditions. Being a laser projector, it offers a long lifespan far beyond traditional lamp-based projectors, meaning thousands of hours of consistent use with minimal maintenance. This makes it ideal for professional and educational settings where reliability is crucial. Resolution is WUXGA at 1920 by 1200, delivering clear, detailed visuals. While it's not 4K, the image quality is excellent, providing crisp text, sharp graphics, and vibrant colors. For presentations, training sessions, or multimedia playback, the projector maintains color consistency and visual fidelity across all types of content. One of the notable features is the 1.6x zoom, allowing flexibility in projector placement. Combined with a throw ratio of 1.39 to 2.23 to 1, it can project onto different screen sizes without needing to move far from the wall. The manual-powered focus makes it easy to fine-tune the image for maximum clarity, which is especially helpful during installation in varying room sizes. Connectivity options are comprehensive. Analog audio input and output allow for seamless integration with external speakers or PA systems. Dual voltage compatibility, 100V, 240V, makes it suitable for international use, providing versatility for different regions and environments. Ceiling mount or table setup is straightforward, and the overall design minimizes fan noise, ensuring the projector does not become a distraction during presentations or screenings. The VPL-FHZ80/W is built for professional and large-scale home use. Its high brightness, reliable laser light source, and versatile zoom and throw capabilities make it capable of handling everything from conference room presentations to immersive movie experiences. Video playback is smooth, colors are accurate, and the text remains legible even from a distance, making it an excellent choice for educational and business settings. Durability and long-term performance are major advantages. The laser technology ensures minimal maintenance, and the robust build quality makes it suitable for daily, heavy use. It's not just a projector. It's a solution for anyone who needs reliable, bright, and precise visual output in a professional or personal environment. Overall, the VPL-FHZ80/W3 LCD laser projector combines brightness, resolution, flexibility, and reliability in one package. Whether you're equipping a classroom, upgrading an office, or enhancing a home theater, it offers consistent performance and professional-level quality. If you are interested in purchasing the VPL-FHZ80/W3 LCD laser projector, white, 6,000 lumens, WUXGA 1920 by 1200 native resolution, 1.6x zoom, analog audio input, output, manual powered focus, 1.39 to 2.23 to 1 throw ratio, 100V/240V. Please check the link in the description below.